Before we start our mail merge, make sure that you have with you your main document and database. In our example, I will use a response letter to the applicants. I will be using a database and Excel spreadsheet for this discussion. Make sure that your database has heading as well. This is very important when we will be inserting merge field later. Open your main document and go to Mailing tab. Click Start Mail Merge, then select Normal Word document. Click Recipient. Now, if you have database prepared in Excel spreadsheet, choose Use an existing list. Otherwise, you may choose Type a new list, then provide the information needed. Or you may also select from Outlook contacts. We will be using the existing list. Select the database that we have created. Make sure that your database is saved in your laptop or computer. Place your cursor to the position where you would like to insert our merge field. Then, click Insert Merge Field. Choose the information you would like to insert. If you are done, you may click Preview Result to check if all the information is on their proper position. Click Finish and Merge. Then select if you want to print the merged document or email it. In printing, select all unless you want to print specific page only. Click Print and the merged documents will be printed. But if you opted to send it through email, then select Send Email Messages. Select the email and input your subject. Then click OK. Your email will be sent via Outlook, the messaging partner of Microsoft.